This is the brand new Xiaomi 13 Ultra, the latest flagship smartphone from Xiaomi. It's packed with cutting-edge technology and features that are sure to impress any smartphone user. In this review, we will take a closer look at the Xiaomi 13 Ultra and see what it has to offer. Starting with the design, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra has a sleek and stylish design with a premium feel. The phone has a Gorilla Glass Victus front, back, and an aluminum frame. This device feels solid and well built in the hand. It boasts a 6.73 inches AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, and it looks stunning. The phone has a leather back with a subtle texture, which not only adds to the overall design but also provides better grip. The sides are flat, giving your fingers more room to comfortably sit when holding the phone horizontally, and there's a noticeable hump sitting below the huge camera system. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes in black, olive green, white, orange, yellow, and blue. The display on this phone is absolutely stunning. The 6.73 inches AMOLED screen has a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, an aspect ratio of 20:9, and a pixel density of 522 ppi, which makes everything look sharp and vibrant. The screen also has a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, which means that scrolling and navigating the phone feels super smooth. This screen can display 1 billion colors and has HDR10 plus playback support. To top it all off, it has a max brightness of 2600 nits, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The screen remains comfortably visible even under direct sunlight. Additionally, the display boasts excellent color accuracy, producing lifelike colors that are true to the source material. This display is incredible. Everything looks buttery smooth while scrolling through apps, playing games, or even just browsing the web. The colors are vibrant, and the contrast is excellent, making it a pleasure to watch videos or play games on this phone. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is currently one of the most powerful chipsets available in the market. The phone comes with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, making it a powerhouse in terms of performance. The phone handles every task with ease, and there is no lag or stutter. Gaming on this device is great, and you can play games at high to max settings with little to no frame drops. The cooling in the device is perfectly capable of preventing the device from overheating. Even during prolonged gaming sessions, the device only got warm, but not enough to make it uncomfortable or affect overall FPS. This flagship phone rocks a 5000 mAh battery that supports 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless fast charging. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with a battery that can easily last you a full day of heavy usage. The phone supports 90-watt wired fast charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in just 35 minutes. The 50-watt wireless charging is one of the fastest wireless charging speeds currently available. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra features a quad camera setup on the back, with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX989 primary, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX858 ultra-wide-angle lens, a 50-megapixel super telephoto sensor with OIS, and a 50-megapixel telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. The camera bump is noticeable but not intrusive, and it blends seamlessly with the phone's overall design. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra is an excellent smartphone that offers top-of-the-line performance, a stunning camera system, and great battery life. The phone's design is sleek and stylish, and the build quality is top-notch. If you're in the market for a flagship smartphone, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos.